Hi again, and welcome to Blogging Part 2. In this second look at blogging, we are going to show you what it's like to be a student and experience the blogging environment in Blackboard. And we're also going to show you how to grade blogs very, very easily. So in the first part of this video, we showed you how to create a blog. We talked about some of blogging's basics, and we created a link for our blog, which is right down here. And now we're going to see this from the student's perspective. So I'm just going to hop into student view for one quick second. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the blog. Here it is there. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to be shown, when I click this blog icon, the blogging environment in Blackboard. And this is what it looks like. So we will have details of all my blogs down here, my blog entries, as well as underneath index here, we will see all of the other classmates' blog entries in here, and any grading information so far. And I have the option to create a blog entry. So I'm going to click that. And what the students get is a really simple sort of text editor here. They have to give their blog a title, like, for instance, Post 1. And they can write in here any thoughts they might have related to the blog's topic. They can post pictures using this picture icon. They can attach YouTube videos using the YouTube mashup. They can change the color of their font if they like. Pretty much anything that you can get in a standard Blackboard editor can be done to a blog. And then finally they have the attach file button. Now, as an instructor, you have to remember that we have very limited space quotas on Blackboard courses. So having the students attach videos to a blog is not the best idea. You'll very, very quickly run out of space in your course and have to get IT involved to reset or delete some of that content. So what a better solution, though, is if you have the students doing sort of the video blog podcast type idea, is to have them record it on their own computers, which they would have to do anyway, and then post it to YouTube and have the students use the YouTube mashup to embed that blog and that YouTube video into their blog. It saves the expense of having the YouTube video stored in our Blackboard server, which can get very big and very expensive, and also lets the students use a platform that they're very familiar with. And because of our Google Apps integration, YouTube is all part of that. So we have options for our students to do things sort of in a more private way. So I'm going to post something for my blog here. This is a great course. I love to blog. And I'm going to click Post Entry. So there's my post there, and you can see underneath the index here I have Post 1 by demo user. I can comment on that if I want as another student, if that's part of the assignment. Great post demo. And you can see that it's all sort of nested in a nice, easy to understand view, and it's just a really great spot for students to go and learn from each other. If we want to flip back to the instructor grading center for just one quick second, I can show you what it looks like when you go to grade these assignments. I'm just going to pop back into my training course here, and I'm going to go into Grade Center and Full Grade Center. Just like most Blackboard assignments, everything sort of happens in the Full Grade Center. And you can see here that I've got a column for my blog, and because I have posted to it, it's gone to this little yellow exclamation point that means needs grading. All I have to do is click on this and click Grade User Activity, which is really similar to how you would grade a discussion forum. And I can see my students' blog post, I can see the comments that they've added, and I can give them a grade for that entire blog. So that's great. And as the student were to complete this blog over the entire semester, I could either assign them a grade at the end of the course for the entire blog, which would be shown for me down here. And it also indexes this nice and weekly for me, so I can quickly see how many weeks are in the blog. or I can sort of go in and give them 1 point for the first week and then revise that later on. So I'm just going to click submit here. We click OK. And after a second, that grade will be posted for the student to go in and view your instructor feedback. And that's really all there is to blogging in Blackboard. So again, it's a public space inside the course where students can go to collaborate with each other, and it can be a really great way for students to get communicating and learn from each other really easily. Thank you for watching.